Hey everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to use the vending machine correctly. So let's get started. First thing you need to do, you will need coins, bills, or a credit card. So for me, I have coins and bills. It says this includes 1 cent and $1 and $5 bills. Alright, just select the snack that you want. So for me, I'll go with the cookie, which is 601. So I select 601. I'm gonna hit OK. And it says it costs $1.50. So I'll be right back. Once you've done that, it says Federizing and it says thank you. And here's my cookie. This is called the Hershey's cookie, which is very yummy with the Hershey's Kisses on it. And so that is it. This is how you can use the vending machine correctly. Thanks for watching.